Dealing with an unexpected Discord account security breach and finding yourself unable to change your password can be incredibly stressful. I've personally navigated this exact situation, testing numerous solutions, and finally pinpointed several effective methods. I'm excited to share these proven strategies with you right now. First, contacting Discord support directly is often your best move. This works because Discord's official team has special tools and access. They can verify you are the real owner and force a password reset, even if the person who caused the security breach is trying to stop you. It's like going to the principal when someone locks you out of your locker. Next, you need to check your linked email account's security. This is super important because your email is the main way to get a new Discord password. If your email itself is also compromised, you won't get the reset link. By making sure your email is safe first, you can then safely receive and use Discord's password reset messages. Third, try using a device you trust, like your home computer or old phone. Discord often remembers devices you've used a lot. If the security breach happened on a new or different computer, using an old, trusted device might let you sneak past some new security checks. This gives you a better chance to change your password from a place Discord already knows. Finally, sometimes clearing your browser's data can fix the problem. Your web browser saves little bits of information called cache and cookies. If these old bits get mixed up or broken, they can stop Discord's website from working right, especially when you try to change your password. Clearing this old data makes your computer connect to Discord fresh, removing any small glitches that might be blocking your password update. These steps together give you the strongest chance to get your account back and secure it.